to another video on Living Water Stream and another day of our Advent calendar. So let's open 22.
Here it is. So let me open.
Oh, what is that?
Here, let me take it out.
Wait. It's hard. These are so hard to take out. Okay, we'll come back when we have it out. So we got this elf. It's a weirdo elf. Okay, now on to 23.
Here it is. Let me open it.
Oh, what is it?
Here, wait. Let me take it out.
Oh, it's like
Pieces of wood.
for the fire. That's so cool to have. I might use this for my LPS. Okay,
Alright.
now let's go to 24, the last one. Whoa, that's a cool car. So I'll show you all of these up close. We got this elf. We got
Pieces of wood.
a pile of wood and this very cool car. And I'm super sad the Advent calendar is already over, but it's okay, you know. So on to see what we have for mine. Now on to my Advent calendar. So let's go to 22. Oh, we got a teensy moose. I thought it was gonna be like a medium pet, but it's a little moose. Okay, that's really hard to get out, so let's open 23 now. Oh, we got a little marshmallow on a stick for the fireplace. Where do you open it? Here. Oh, he is so cute. He's so cute, little dear. Oh, I love him. So now it's time for Bumble. So this is what we got. So I'm super sad it's over, but it's okay. And Merry Christmas, you guys. Now it's time for Bumble.
Hey guys, time to read the last few verses of this little mini series of opening Advent calendars. So let's keep reading. And said, "Get up, take the child and his mother, and go to the land of Israel, for those who were trying to take the child's life are dead." So he got up, took the child and his mother, and went to the land of Israel. But when he heard that Archelaus was reigning in Judea in place of his father Herod, he was afraid to go there. Having been warned in a dream, he withdrew to the district of Galilee, and he went and lived in a town called Nazareth. So was fulfilled what was said through the prophets, that he would be called a Nazarene. And that's the story of Jesus. Okay, really hope you loved this video and this little mini series. I really hope you liked everything that we did. And Merry Christmas. In our next video, I'll be reading the whole story of Jesus' birth all in one video. So stay tuned, you guys. Bye.